Move in Ready Exquisite and modernly remodeled 3-bedroom home, perched overlooking beautiful Lake of the Pines. This stylish home boasts an abundance of natural light from soaring ceilings and picturesque windows in the main living and dining area. The main level features a large open floor plan, a beautifully updated kitchen, a newly remodeled custom butler's pantry with wine, beverage and champagne fridge, newer engineered flooring, fixtures and paint throughout the home, a guest bedroom, guest bath and primary suite that offers an updated ensuite with custom walk-in closet built-in organizers, and a private deck to enjoy the views. Step out to the large entertainer's dream deck with amazing views and a peaks of the lake. Downstairs offers an additional and accommodating bedroom, with private access and 2-car garage with newer epoxy floors. Low-maintenance landscape and spacious backyard ready for all your gardening dreams. Come and enjoy all that Lake of the Pines has to offer with golf, tennis, bocce, pickleball, swimming, boating and so much more. Vacation where you live.